Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the HCL Tech, Deloitte and another important company. So if you are the freshers looking for some important job opportunity, then this is gonna important for you. So first important opportunity, that is from the HCL Tech. They are hiring from the batch of 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026, and eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, ME, MTech and engineering only. So this is a selection process. You will be first facing the cognitive test, that is aptitude, then technical, then English and then technical and HR. So if you are interested, you can apply. So I will provide apply links, just go there, and if you are the first time candidate, then you have to first register here. Okay, so you have to just click here apply now, and if you are the first candidate in fresher, then you have to first register, and if you have already registered, then you have to just log in by giving your credential, that is a mobile number. Moving to next important opportunity, and this is a face to face, you can say, interview will be there. That is from the company Hyzon, and this is offline hiring drive. Date is 25 to 26 April, 10 a.m. and Gandhinagar, and compensation you can get 12 LPA to 14 LPA, that completely depend on them. So if you are interested, you can just fill the form link, I think they will provide in the description. So just fill the form. Okay, you can see that form link. So just give the basic details. Again saying, friend, before applying must apply with updated resume and all those stuff. Okay, so this is a kind of startup and you will be getting growth, lots of growth opportunity. So 2026 you will be having 3-month internship, 30,000 per month, so must apply for this. And 2025 also will be having package and all those bonuses. So this is a wonderful opportunity, don't miss this. Next important opportunity, that is from the Ampharos. They are hiring for the role of software engineer and job location is Pune. So this is also wonderful opportunity. So what are the responsibility? You will develop and operate large scale data storage, AI and ML. So if you have knowledge of the Python, SQL and Spark, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the Deloitte, and earlier I also have provided update for this. So they are hiring for the various roles, so just go through this, okay, and you can apply. Moving to next, and before moving to the next important, if you have friends selected for the interview, TCS interview or any company interview, and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule. Now just one path is away and you can clear the interviews. We will provide you complete guidance and dedicated feedback. Besides this, resume review which will help you to clear the interview. We have already provided many selections through our channel, and still selection is going on. So if you are interested, you can fill the form. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the NView. They are hiring for the role of software engineer trainee, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. So these were all the roles and responsibilities. Just go through complete job link in the description. I'll provide all the link here. Okay, next, what are the technology they are requiring? You should have good problem solving skill, means strong knowledge of DSA, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can apply for this. Who are eligible? Bachelor degree in CS, IT or related fields, and if you have done any internship, then this is a great chance of getting selections or reward mail from them. Next important opportunity, that is from the platform Unstop, and they have also announced the hiring. I think that's the link expire, so you can ignore that. Okay, so moving to next important opportunity, and this is for the location of manager, and this is a full-time role. So if you want, you can just see your resume to this. This is a, I can say, kind of networking role. So if you are interested in troubleshooting packet and IP services, then you can apply for this. Means if you have a strong foundational knowledge in computer network, then you can apply for this. Moving to last important opportunity, they are hiring for various intern, full stack developer, backend developer, front end developer and UI UX designer. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID, or they have already provided the contact number, so you can contact them. So these are some important job opportunity. For getting such important job update, make sure to support and subscribe us. And if you have any query, feel free to connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask any query at Insta, WhatsApp or Telegram, whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.